Hold it?
Yeah.
No, I don't.
It's fine. Film this.
Why is it pointing down? It cannot point down, man. Oh my days.
You kept pulling it lower, fam.
Just like, I hold it. It's looking down, man. This guy was like, yeah, I'm holding it, all good, and blah, looking down.
Yeah, we can break it up quick.
Yeah, we have to.
So the whole morning we've been welding the exhaust for the Miata. Snapped off last time we were drifting, so we don't actually have enough time to finish it right now. We're gonna finish it probably tomorrow morning or so, because now we have to take Kevin to get Kevin fixed again. We need to get it fixed. No, wait. We need to fix the fix of Kevin.
What?
We need to fix the fix.
How can you fix the fix?
Bodge the bodge. Fix the fix. Because Kevin was fixed before, but we need to fix that fix.
Well, Kevin's broken again, so we need to fix it again.
Yeah, basically.
Well, now the plan is to put it on Lavetka and drive to the place where they're gonna fix it again.
We said fix like 100 times, but it's okay.
Repair.
Repair, yes. So, we have a bit of a situation like always. Since Kevin is not working, we need to somehow pull it onto the Lavetka. And the only way to do it is with this thing. As you can see, it's not really supposed to be there. It's supposed to be in here. But it's there. Well, like always. So now we don't know what to do. Our only option for now is to get some more people to push Kevin onto Lavetka, but we need to find people right now. The issue is it's middle of Tuesday right now.
Okay, stop.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, we are taking Kevin on the Lavetka and it's time to go. Wait.
Let me show you.
No, Mare. You don't. Does it count?
Yes. So we just came back from the garage where we gave away Kevin for him to be fixed. And we just have about 20 minutes of sunshine left. So we decided to wash the car quickly before doing the exhaust to see how nice it looks in the sun.
So earlier today I was welding Marek's exhaust back because it's fallen off, and he was like, okay, I'm gonna hold it and you weld it. So so I welded it, and this is his position. This is the saddest exhaust I've ever seen, man. So sad.
So the car is clean now, and with this disappointment, we're back to the garage.
So we did upload for a while because there was actually nothing happening, so we didn't want to just, you know, make the videos just to make videos and upload. It was a week without the video, and I think we had a nice break from it. And yeah, today was such a nice day, so we thought we can just, you know, spend some time outside, fix the Miata a bit, go with Kevin to fix it again. Yeah, just spend a nice day. Tomorrow I'm going to Darek again, and we're gonna film another part of my V8 Miata swap. And yeah, let's call it a day. Very nice day. Alright, I guess time to edit the video and still upload it tonight.